First of all, thank you. Thank you, dear audience, for your support and your enthusiasm for the topics discussed. We're at almost 700 people subscribed to the channel. Like it's cool that I've started this. It's cool that it's gone to where it's gone. It's just cool, and I get a lot of questions. I'm not good at getting back to everybody just yet, but this is really awesome. I'm super grateful for this. This is a really cool opportunity that I got, that I can talk about these animals and discuss certain topics. Now, if you guys have any questions, I've heard a lot of questions about lion-tiger comparisons, and that's coming. That's going to be a thing. They're both here. And there's a lot of cool background and groundwork I want to cover with regards to the species present behind me. And eventually I'd like to get to their conservation work. I'd like to talk to the outside world. I'd like this to be a force that is a tool that we can use to understand the world better. And I want to move things along in terms of my own creation, so I can't do that on my own. I'm definitely inspired by what I'm seeing. I'm very inspired by the level and the detail and the range that is now being produced in paleo art. Especially Cenozoic paleo art, especially understanding of the later post-dinosaur chapter. If you have any specific questions, if you have any ideas for videos, converse and collaborate, then all of that can be found in the following details and on the website. If I'm doing things right, then this material can become a lot more available to everybody in a very cool way, which I hope will inspire people to look at nature in a different way, in a much more proximal and much more intrinsic way, and also serve the promotion of this world, of this understanding, of this way of thinking about the world. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.